Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to view carousels you've commented on in the Instagram app when using it on your PC. With the latest update, Instagram has made it much easier to keep track of your interactions, and I'll guide you through each step in a simple way. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're inside, you'll notice several navigation options. What you're looking for is in the bottom left corner of the screen. Find the More icon, which appears as 3 dots stacked together, and click on it. This is where you'll access all of your account tools and activity settings. After opening the menu, look for the section labeled Your Activity. Go ahead and click on it. This feature brings together everything you've been doing on Instagram: likes, follows, time spent, and of course, comments. It's your personal history hub inside the app. Now, within the Your Activity page, focus on the Interaction section. This is where Instagram has grouped every form of engagement you've had with posts. Inside this space, click on Comments. What you'll see here is a list of all the posts where you've left a comment. This includes single images, videos, reels, and most importantly, the carousels. The great thing about this new update is how organized it all looks. Instead of endlessly scrolling back through your feed or trying to remember which account posted something, everything is right there in one place. You can scroll through the comments history and find every carousel you've engaged with. Clicking on any of them will take you directly back to that post, so you can view it again, reply to other comments, or just recheck the content. This feature is especially handy if you like keeping track of specific discussions, or if you often comment on carousels that have multiple parts you want to revisit later. It saves time and makes the whole Instagram experience smoother on desktop, and that's it. By following these simple steps, opening Instagram, clicking the More icon, going into your activity, and then checking your comments, you'll have quick access to all the carousels you've commented on. It's quick, practical, and built right into the app.